I'm Patrick O'Rourke from MobileSyrup, and I recently had the opportunity to check out Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus ahead of the smartphone's big reveal. The Note 10 and Note 10 Plus are stunning devices that embody the very best of what Samsung has to offer in the smartphone space. Similar to previous years though, the 6.3-inch Note 10 and new, larger 6.8-inch Note 10 Plus just really aren't that much of an upgrade over the Note 9, at least in some respects. First, let's go through what's actually new. The front-facing shooter is in display with the now familiar Infinity O hole punch cutout being located in the top center of the phone's screen. The phone also features the same in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner as the S10 instead of a physical rear-facing one under the rear camera like with the Note 9. Because the front camera is now in display, both the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus feature significantly reduced bezels, resulting in one of the most expansive displays I've ever used in a smartphone. The phone's rear camera experience remains very similar to the Note 9's, however. There are also the expected iterative hardware updates like Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 processor and new software tricks like the S Pen's air gestures that let you control specific apps with subtle gestures. Other software tricks include live video depth of field with the Note 10 Plus thanks to the smartphone's rear time of flight sensor, as well as the ability to focus on specific sounds when recording video. What's interesting about the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus though is the effort Samsung has made to differentiate the two devices. Beyond obvious things like size, the standard Note doesn't include a microSD card slot like the Note 10 Plus and also features an HD Plus resolution instead of the Note 10 Plus's QHD resolution. Across both devices, Samsung has also ditched the 3.5mm headphone jack, marking a fundamental shift in design philosophy for the company. Given the multiple times Samsung has made fun of Apple during Unpacked events for doing the exact same thing, it will be interesting to see how the company positions removing this feature. The Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus ultimately offer one of the most complete Android smartphone packages out there, just like the phone has for a number of years now. That said, there's a lot of people out there that are likely going to take issue with the lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack and the Note 10 not featuring a microSD card slot, as well as the lower resolution when compared to its predecessor, at least as far as the Note 10 is concerned. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll have more on the Galaxy Note and Note 10 Plus in the coming weeks, including a full review. Make sure to check out my full written hands-on MobileSyrup.com.